Ito naman, si Nesty Petesio. And ito naman, favorite ko rin.
Bakit?
Because she is part, or I don't know if he's a trans man, I don't know the right pronouns.
Yes,
so para to be safe, they are part of the LGBTQ plus community. Kaya syempre, medyo favorite ko rin to. Favorite ko si Ira, pero favorite ko rin si Nesty.
Yes,
so si Nesty naman is a testimony of hard work. No? Kasi si Nesty started at 11 to do boxing. No? And syempre nananalo siya, no? Kahit bata pa siya, nananalo siya. Pero ang kinaganda at kinakulay ng kwento ni Nesty, there was a time in her life, hindi ko alam kung tama, politically correct ba yung her? In their life na lang, in their life, that there was a low season for her career. And specifically, ito yung 2014 to 2018.
Yes.
Kasi at 11, marami na siyang napanalunan, no? 11 up. Pero pagdating ng 2014 to 2018, parang naging losing streak.
Opo.
Hindi siya nananalo.
Opo.
Okay.
Parang hindi nga siya hindi siya nag-qualify before for Rio Olympics.
All right. Oh,
yes,
yeah.
Coach,
okay.
Pero hindi daw siya nag-stop.
Aha. I think that was part of
yes,
the
Coach.
low season in her athletic career.
Yes, Coach.
Pero ang nakakatuwa doon, they never gave up. Yan naman, nahirapan ako doon sa pronouns ko. They never gave up.
Correct,
no?
Coach.
Because rumatsyada na naman ang boxing career ni Nesty
yes,
ng 2019 to 2020. No? Kaya, nung 2020 in Tokyo, she brought us the silver medal in the Tokyo Olympics. I think what we can take on from this story of Nesty is there are times in our lives that there will really be low seasons. And when I say low seasons, this can be a low season in your career, in your personal relationship, or even in your health.
Yes.
But it doesn't mean that it's the end of the road. We can always rise from that low season and find the peak and happy season again.